craziest pieces of sports engineering I've ever seen. A see-through basketball that doesn't need to be inflated. Like many of you, I was skeptical that this was just some marketing gimmick to promote their actual line of official NBA balls, but what I found is pretty insane. This is Dr. Nadine Lipa, and she was given the task of reinventing the basketball. Now, over the years, we've seen some slight variations of the traditional orange seam ball, but she took it a step further with a new technology called additive manufacturing. This is basically a kind of 3D printing that can build precise geometric shapes like spheres by printing in 2D layers. These layers are essentially etch-a-sketched onto a white powder and allow for the perfect ball to be created every time. Wilson worked with a company called EOS that normally prints parts for rocket ships and medical devices. And once the initial prototype was completed, they sent it to a basketball test facility for, quote, rigorous testing, which included hitting it with a baseball bat. So this ball has the same weight, size, and bounce as a normal basketball, but what's the actual benefit? Well, for starters, this ball can be made way more sustainably than traditional basketball. Since this airless ball is printed in one piece instead of assembled like a traditional ball, it can be made perfectly every time. So there's no